Get started with your KitchenAid Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder attachment. Secure the Fresh Prep attachment to the hub of your stand mixer. Choose your blade and slide it into the attachment housing until it clicks into place. Cut ingredients to fit inside the feed tube and place a large bowl under the attachment. Turn the stand mixer to speed 4 and place food into the feed tube using the food pusher to guide it into the attachment. When finished, press down on the release lever to remove the blade. Wash all blades and food pushers in the top rack of your dishwasher. Clean the Fresh Prep housing by hand with a soft damp cloth and dry thoroughly. The Fresh Prep Slicer Shredder attachment, the quick and easy way to slice and shred fresh ingredients. From KitchenAid.